What if the fastest way to build real strength isn't grinding through heavy squats, but learning to hold perfectly still like ancient warriors? Samurai warriors used 5 specific isometric holds for centuries to develop the kind of strength that made them legendary. Holding battle-ready positions for extended periods, building bodies that stayed powerful well into their later years, and developing the mental toughness that separated them from ordinary soldiers. But if you miss the one principle that makes these holds actually work, you'll struggle through the positions and wonder why your strength never improves. So what makes these 5 movements different from every other strength exercise out there? Let's start with the foundation hold that every samurai mastered before anything else. If you've ever felt your legs give out while standing for long periods or your knees ache when you squat down, you know exactly what weak leg endurance feels like. The horse stance, called kibadachi in Japanese martial arts, is one of the most direct ways to fix that problem without a single piece of equipment. You step your feet out wider than shoulder width, turn your toes slightly outward, and lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Your back stays upright, knees push outward over your toes, and your weight sinks into your heels. Then you hold. This is an isometric hold. Your muscles work at maximum tension without moving. That type of contraction builds strength and endurance that most gym exercises completely miss. It trains your muscles to sustain tension under pressure, which is exactly what your body needs for maintaining stability during everyday activities and preventing falls as you age. Samurai warriors use this because it built the leg strength necessary to hold their fighting stance for extended battles while wearing heavy armor. When you're holding the horse stance and shaking, that's your body learning to activate muscle fibers it normally ignores. Your quads are firing hard to keep you from collapsing. Your glutes are working to maintain hip stability and prevent your knees from caving inward. Your adductors, the inside of your thighs, are getting stretched under tension, building both strength and flexibility simultaneously. And your core is bracing to keep your torso upright against the burn in your legs. This is what makes the horse stance so effective for people over 40. You're forcing your entire lower body to work together as a system at the exact angle where most people are weakest, around 90 degrees of knee flexion. That's where most people fail in everyday movements like getting up from a chair or climbing stairs. And that's exactly where the horse stance makes you strong and builds the injury prevention your joints need. Start with holds of 30 to 45 seconds. If that sounds easy, it's not. By the second set, your entire lower body will be on fire. Work up to 90-second holds and do 3 to 4 sets with about a minute of rest in between. The goal isn't to see how long you can suffer. The goal is controlled, high-tension holds that force your body to adapt and build real lower back pain resistance. Now, what if pushing as hard as you can against something that won't move could build more functional strength than any bench press? This is exactly what samurai warriors and old-time strongmen figured out long before modern gyms even existed. The immovable object drill is simple but brutal. You find a solid wall, place your hands against it at chest height, and push with everything you have. The wall doesn't budge, but your muscles fire at maximum capacity. And that maximum effort triggers serious strength gains without the joint stress that comes from heavy weights. Your body doesn't know the difference between moving a heavy object and failing to move an immovable one. All it knows is maximum tension throughout your chest, shoulders, and core. Samurai use this by pressing against temple pillars, pushing against training partners, and creating resistance where none seemed to exist. The result was tendon strength, shoulder stability, and raw pushing power that carried over into every combat movement. This builds the kind of strength that protects your shoulders from injury and improves posture by strengthening all the stabilizing muscles around your shoulder joints. To do it correctly, stand facing a wall about arm's length away. Place both hands flat against the wall at chest height, shoulder width apart. Now push forward as hard as you possibly can for 6 to 10 seconds, like you're genuinely trying to move the wall with your bare hands. Your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core should be fully engaged. Every muscle from your hands to your feet should be creating tension. Do 3 to 4 positions per session, chest height, overhead, and low position. 6 to 10 seconds of maximum effort per position. Rest for a minute between efforts. This trains your nervous system without destroying your joints. So 2 to 3 sessions per week is plenty for building serious upper body strength. Now here's the move that teaches your body to resist rotation and protects your spine like nothing else can. The sword hold, which we'll do using a resistance band to simulate the tension samurai felt while controlling their weapons, is one of the most effective core exercises for people dealing with chronic lower back pain. Samurai had to maintain perfect posture and resist rotational forces while wielding heavy swords in battle. This hold trains that exact skill. Attach a resistance band to a sturdy anchor point at chest height. Stand perpendicular to it with your feet shoulder width apart. Grab the band with both hands and hold it at the center of your chest. Step away from the anchor until there's real tension in the band. The band wants to pull your torso toward the anchor, rotating your spine. Your job is to resist that rotation with everything you've got. Press the band straight out in front of you with your arms fully extended. Hold it there for 6 to 10 seconds while the band tries to twist your body. Don't let it, not even slightly. Your hips stay square. Your shoulders stay level. Every muscle in your core, from your abs to your obliques to your deep stabilizers, is now firing to prevent rotation and protect your spine. This is what makes this hold so valuable for people over 40. Most lower back pain comes from your spine rotating under load when it shouldn't. This exercise trains your core to prevent that dangerous rotation, building the exact kind of stability and core strength that eliminates chronic pain. Your abs aren't just flexing your spine like in crunches. They're bracing and stabilizing, which is their primary job in real life. Start with a light band. 3 sets of 3 holds per side, 6 to 10 seconds each. Feel your core working harder than it ever has during sit-ups? Good. That's real core training. Next workout, use a slightly heavier band or step further from the anchor. Do this consistently, and your lower back pain disappears. Your posture improves dramatically, and you move with the stability that prevents injuries. Now, here's something most people miss. These holds build incredible strength, but they only work if your joints can handle the load without breaking down. That's where proper mobility and the right recovery strategies come in, the stuff most programs completely skip. That's why I created Reboot Your Body. It's a simple, step-by-step system designed to eliminate the chronic aches and pains that stop you from training hard. If you're dealing with stiff hips, achy knees, or that nagging lower back pain that makes you think twice before exercising, this program shows you exactly how to fix it so you can move pain-free and train consistently without falling apart. The link is in the description below. Now, have you ever watched a martial arts master balance effortlessly on one leg and wondered how they develop that kind of stability? That's not genetics, that's the crane stance, and it's one of the most challenging balance and strength exercises you can do. The crane stance requires you to stand on one leg while holding a static position. But this isn't just balancing. You're actively creating tension throughout your entire body while your supporting leg works overtime to keep you stable. Samurai use this to develop the balance necessary for fighting on uneven terrain and the single leg strength needed for powerful kicks and quick directional changes. Stand on your right leg with your knee slightly bent. Lift your left leg, bending the knee so your thigh is parallel to the ground. Your left foot can be positioned near your right knee or held forward depending on your balance level. Hold your arms out to the sides or in a guard position in front of your chest. Now hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds. Your standing leg is doing tremendous work. Your glutes are firing to stabilize your hip and prevent it from dropping. Your quads and hamstrings are working to control your knee position. All the small stabilizing muscles around your ankle are firing constantly to maintain balance. Your core is engaged to keep your torso upright and prevent you from tipping over. This single leg work is critical for fall prevention as you age and builds the kind of balance that keeps you confident and mobile. But here's what makes this hold especially valuable. Most people have significant strength imbalances between their legs. Your dominant leg is often significantly stronger than your non-dominant leg. This imbalance leads to compensation patterns that cause knee pain, hip pain, and lower back issues over time. The crane stance reveals these imbalances immediately and forces you to address them by training each leg independently. Start with 30-second holds on each leg. If you can't balance that long, hold onto a wall or chair with one hand for support until you build the necessary strength and stability. Work up to 60-second holds, do 3 sets per leg with a minute of rest between sets. Once you can hold the position with perfect stability, challenge yourself by closing your eyes for brief periods or slowly lowering into a single leg squat while maintaining the crane position. What happens when you take the simple act of gripping and turn it into a strength-building exercise that transforms your entire upper body? You discover why Samurai spent so much time training their grip. Towel grip isometrics are brutally simple and incredibly effective. You take a hand towel, wrap it around a pull-up bar or sturdy overhead beam, and hang from it. Your grip has to work much harder to hold on to the uneven, thick surface of the towel compared to a smooth bar. This builds grip strength, forearm development, and shoulder stability all at once. Samurai needed crushing grip strength to control their swords during combat. A weak grip meant a weapon could be knocked from your hands. A strong grip meant weapon control, grappling advantage, and the ability to execute techniques with precision. They trained grip by hanging from ropes, holding weighted objects, and squeezing training implements until their forearms burned. To do towel grip holds, drape a towel over a pull-up bar or secure overhead structure. Grab both ends of the towel, one in each hand, and hang from it with your feet off the ground. Your shoulders should be engaged, not just hanging loose. Pull them down slightly and create tension through your lats and upper back. Hold this position for as long as possible, aiming for 20 to 30 seconds to start. Your forearms will burn almost immediately. Your grip strength is being tested at every second. Your shoulders and upper back are working to maintain stability. This type of hanging also decompresses your spine, creating traction that relieves pressure on your vertebrae and helps reduce back pain. It's one of the best things you can do for shoulder health and upper back strength. If you can't hang from a towel yet, start by just holding it and squeezing as hard as you can for 10-second intervals. Progress to brief hangs with your feet still touching the ground. Eventually, you'll build enough strength to hang freely. Do 3 to 4 sets with full rest between each attempt. Your grip strength will skyrocket, your forearms will develop visible definition, and your overall upper body strength will improve significantly. The complete system that builds warrior strength. Here's your routine. Horse stance, 3 to 4 sets of 30 to 90 seconds. Start wherever you can maintain good form and build from there. Immovable object wall push, 3 to 4 sets of 6 to 10 seconds at 3 different heights. The sword hold with resistance band, 3 sets of 3 holds per side, 6 to 10 seconds each. The crane stance, 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds per leg. Towel grip holds, 3 to 4 sets of 20 to 30 seconds, 3 times per week. That's it, 20 to 30 minutes per session. 2 weeks in, you'll notice improved stability and balance. 4 weeks in, your legs will feel stronger during everyday activities. 8 weeks in, you'll see visible changes in your posture and body control. Because isometric training teaches you something that traditional weightlifting never can. How to generate maximum tension without movement. How to build strength in positions where you're vulnerable. How to develop the mental toughness that allows you to push through discomfort. This type of training builds what samurai called internal strength, the ability to control your body completely and generate power from stillness. It's not about how much weight you can move, it's about how much tension you can create and sustain. And that type of strength translates directly into real life, making everyday movements easier, reducing injury risk, and keeping your body capable well into your later years. The mental benefits are equally powerful. Holding these positions requires intense focus and the ability to push through discomfort. Your mind will tell you to quit long before your body actually needs to. Learning to override that voice builds mental resilience that carries over into every area of your life. When you can hold a horse stance for 2 minutes or maintain a crane stance while your leg is shaking, you've proven to yourself that you're stronger than your discomfort. Plus, your joints will thank you. Unlike heavy barbell training that compresses your spine and stresses your connective tissue, isometric holds build strength through sustained tension that actually strengthens your tendons and ligaments. This is how you build a body that stays strong, stable, and pain-free for decades. This is the path to healthy aging and maintaining your independence. And here's what makes this approach revolutionary for people over 40. You're not chasing heavier weights that beat up your joints. You're not doing high-impact movements that leave you sore for days. You're building strength through intelligent tension that your body can sustain and recover from quickly. Each hold teaches your nervous system to recruit more muscle fibers simultaneously, building the kind of strength that shows up when you need it most, whether that's catching yourself from a fall, lifting a grandchild, or simply getting through your day without fatigue. The beauty of isometric training is that it meets you where you are. Can't hold a horse stance for 90 seconds? Start with 20. Can't balance in crane stance? Use a wall for support. Every session makes you slightly better than the last. And that consistent progress builds both physical capability and unshakable confidence. 5 holds, warrior strength, 0 excuses.